welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome cousin, how are you? So today I will be installing this wig from Wiggins hair, and y'all, I'm in love. First of all, I did not bleach the knots. I did not color this hair myself, and I didn't even curl the hair. This curl is exactly how it is, fresh out the bag. The only heat I applied to this hair was to my baby hairs and to hot comb the top. And at first, I was a little nervous. I am scared of color. Something about color, it just scares me, you know what I'm saying? But it's like this right here, this is giving. And it looks good on my skin, like, yeah. If you guys are interested in this hair, you want to see how I installed it and you know the whole nine, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So today I will be installing a wig from Wiggins hair. This is the bag and this is how the hair came, just like this. And these are the social medias, you can follow them if you want to. Right now I'm just showing you guys what came inside of the bag, and I like when it comes with goodies. Like if a wig does not come with any goodies, I get very confused. But anyway, y'all see how the hair is very voluminous, very shiny, very silky, and it's just giving body, period. I just want to get into the hairline, not only the hairline but the knots. I do not see the knots. It's giving bleached already. You know, sometimes you get a wig, the knots be so big and bold. It wasn't giving that. That just means that the wig is going to be easy to pluck if I do end up plucking it. But right now I just put it on top of my head, on top of a wig I already had on. And I was a little nervous at first, I'm not going to lie, because I don't know if I was feeling it. So I was like, you know what, let me just wait. So I started to pluck the wig just a little bit, and yes, I couldn't find my white towel, so I am plucking on top of the styrofoam that they gave to me. But I just did just a little bit of plucking. Right now I'm using the same color that I used for the wig cap on the lace because it looks kind of white and I don't want it to look ashy when I put it on, so I'm just going to put it on the inside and on the perimeter of the outside. So now I'm ready to put the wig on my head, but before I do that, I like to hot comb the hair away just to get all the flyaways out the way or any excess hairs that are in the way. Just hot combing it back helps keep everything away from my face. And then I put my hair in a ponytail and then I start to cut the lace off. So when I put my wigs on, I like to part out the perimeter of my head because it gives a better anchor, I guess. It's easier to place the wig down when I have something to pull from. So I just like to part that out. And I'm going to cut the ear tabs and proceed with gluing the wig down. So the next step is the baby hairs, and to do that I part out a chunk and I hot comb it forward just to train it to keep it to lay down flat like that when I do put the got2b glue on it, and I hot comb the rest of the hair away. After that I cut it and I curl it with my pencil curler.
Tell him again, yeah?
Dunstan.
Give me a minute. I told you I was chatting different, can't you see I'm winning? Come on, get with it. Fly British boy, I'm in the end, it's just beginning, yo. Give me a minute. I told you I was chatting different, can't you see I'm winning? Come on, get with it. Fly British boy, I'm in the end, it's just beginning, yo. I hope my accent doesn't throw you off. Some lyrics on my phone, nothing crazy, now let's say it on. I'm on a mission, set it, hitting smoke a zoot. You got your boy's wife, take him home, then the man be getting on. I stay spinning round the ends in a murk. I don't drive my shit absurd, but I can stay to catch a word. For here pops and bangs, turn the speaker to the world. Better shout on my man, and cause we're moving like we hurl, yeah. Got a whip, a merc, a beamer, a Bentayg. Just give me keys so I can rip around the east state.
Alright, now that you made it to the end of the video, please let me know what you guys think about this hair down below. Don't forget to view the description box. All the links and everything will be there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My Instagram is down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Fuck that. Gotta tell him again, yeah?
Dunstan.
Give me a minute. I told you I was chatting different, can't you see I'm winning?